it's Gracie with WTI, and I was looking for something to help protect my important documents or anything valuable that could withstand a fire or a flood if needed. And that's when I found these little document bags from FULLIVE. So first thing I like about this is that it's a set of two. These guys can fit anywhere from your large birth certificates to your passports to money. I mean, anything you deem valuable. So these bags are made out of a fiberglass material, which is supposed to help withstand high temperatures and fire exposure. And then the outside of the bag is coated with silicone. I did end up taking these bags to our local lake, and I threw some sticky notes inside the smaller bag. And the first thing I noticed was that these bags floated on top of the water, which was a plus. And after submerging the bag fully in water and taking it out, I noticed that the sticky notes were still nice and dry. So they're definitely water resistant for a short amount of time. And then as far as the fireproof statement goes, I was not able to test it out in an actual fire, but they do claim that these bags can withstand heat up to 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit. So I do believe that these bags can withstand high temperatures and fire exposure, but I'm just not sure about endless fire exposure. And let's just hope I never have to find out. So what we're gonna use these bags for is we're gonna put our documents inside these bags, and then we're gonna take these bags and slide them into our safe. So that way our documents are twice as protected. I like that these bags have two separate enclosures. So first they have the Velcro feature, and then on top of that, they also have a metal zipper to close the whole bag up. And the bags are stitched very nicely on all four corners of the outside and inside. So if you're also looking to take that one step further into protecting your documents even more, then these might be something to look into. And that's my point of view.